Hello guys, in this tutorial I will show you guys how to embed a video on Twitter. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and you hit the notification bell in order not to miss my upcoming tutorials. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is that you need to simply choose the video in which you want to embed. So I'll simply choose this one. After that, you simply click on the shared button. Once you're there, you copy the video link, after which you paste the video link on any browser in your cell phone. After that, it is going to take you to another interface where you simply need to click on these three dots here. After that, you click on Embed Tweet. It's going to take you to another interface where you need to copy the link. After copying the link, you simply take back the link and retweet it. After that, you simply copy the video link and you erase all the other links. After that, you click on what? Tweet. So guys, we are going to check. So this is a video we are just on embedding. So guys, this is the video and this is the original video here. Thank you guys for watching.